The R450 machine with spindle taper, BT30, low inertia spindle and rapid 3-axis traverse can make all machining procedures complete and speedy. The compact economic model saves time, floor space and money for all manufacturers. Linear motion guides. The XYZ axis moves on a high precision linear motion guide. Rapid traverse speed up to 36 meters per minute on the XY axis and 30 meters per minute on the Z axis significantly increases the machine's efficiency. High-speed rigid tapping. Specially designed spindle features low inertia, giving it a fast rigid tapping capability up to 4,000 RPM per minute. Available capacity tool magazine. Tool magazine capacity is up to 12 pieces. Maximum adjustment tool diameter, 80 millimeters. Maximum tool length, 200 millimeters. Maximum tool weight, 3 kilograms. The excellent ATC system, complemented with a perfectly structured index device, offers fast tool changes. Ruggedly constructed base. One-piece casted base provides maximum stability, rigidity, and accuracy. The humanized control panel. Ergonomically designed switches and control panel gives users a friendly, no-sweat operation. A non-glare screen allows for extended operation time without fatigue. Enclosed control cabinet. The clean air inside control cabinet is circulated and cooled, ensuring electronic parts perform optimally and have a long service life. Automatic lubrication system is a standard and employs quantitative pump for forced lubrication to the 3-axis slideways and ball screws. FRL combination and air pressure detector. Standard equipment. This model is very suitable for any workpiece that needs a good tapping and high-speed drilling, such as automotive and motorcycle engine parts. All designs are specialized for accurate, highly productive and dependable drilling and tapping operations.